Howdy guys, today is Wednesday, hump day, October 7th, 2015, and we're going to be covering 3-3 slope, intercept form, examples 3 and 4, okay? Maybe 5 and 6, who knows? We'll see how I feel. But I'll be out today along with Miss Walbacher, so please follow along with the video and enjoy. Alright, so here we go. We need to go ahead and do problem 3. So get out your notes from yesterday. Your notes from yesterday, the blank sheet of paper for 3-3 notes, and we're going to continue with problem 3. Okay, so with problem 3, we need to go ahead and copy down this graph as good as possible. Right here, this is the y-axis. Okay, so copy down this graph as well as you can. And we need to find the equation of that graph. So go ahead and pause the video to give you some time, but I'm going to go ahead and continue so I don't waste any time here. So pause the video if you need more time to copy the graph down. Okay, so with a slope-intercept form equation, which is y equals mx plus b, you need to find your y-intercept, and you also need to find your slope. Now your y-intercept is the point is where the line crosses the y-axis, okay? So where this line crosses the y-axis, you need to find that point. And the slope is very easy. You need to find 2 points on the line and then do rise over run. Okay? Okay, so let's get started. So the y-intercept, let's go ahead and find that first. The y-intercept is going to be b equals, okay, so this line here crosses the y-axis at what number? It looks like at -2. So that will be your y-intercept. So b equals -2. And then your slope. So slope is going to be m equals, so m equals, you need to find the rise over run. So before we find your slope, we need to find 2 points. So a point will be right here at the y-intercept, because the y-intercept is obviously a point. Let's go ahead and choose right here as a point. So right here. So those 2 points are on your line, and we need to find rise over run. So let's count. From the left point to the right points, it went up how many? +2. So you'll have 2 over, and then from the left point to the right point, it went right, +1. So 2 over 1 is your slope, or it just reduces to 2. So A, B, C, or D. We need a y-intercept of -2 and a slope of +2. So we can go ahead and cross out, if we look at the slopes, this is -2, so it's not A. This is 1/2, so it's not B. So we either have C or D. But we need a y-intercept of -2. And this is a +1, so it's not C, so the answer will be D. Alright, very simple. Just find the y-intercept and find the slope, and you're good to go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move on. If you need more time, just pause the video, and then press play when you're ready to go. Wait a second. Problem 5. Oh, I guess we don't do problem 4. Okay, so we're doing actually problem 3, 5, and 6. Okay, awesome sauce. Okay, so problem 5, graphing a linear equation. What is the graph of y equals 2x minus 1? Very simple, guys. Copy down this equation, and then once you're done copying down the equation, draw a coordinate plane. And let's go ahead and go all the way to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, that's ugly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be 5. That'd be -5. That'd be 5. It's the y-axis. This is the x-axis. All right, good to go. Pause if you need more time. Okay, so we need to identify 2 things: the y-intercept, which is B, and the slope, which is M. So out of your equation, y equals 2x minus 1, what is the y-intercept? -1. Good job. All right, now the slope. What is the slope? 2. Awesome sauce. All right, now to convert the slope to rise over run, so we can, plot it, we need to convert to a fraction. So how do you turn a whole number 2 into a fraction? You're going to put it over 1. Okay, so that's going to be your rise over your run. But before you plot your slope, you have to plot your y-intercept first. So always plot y-intercept first. Very important. Always plot y-intercept first. So the y-intercept is -1. So on your y-axis, find -1 and put a point. So that's 0, go down 1. Here is your y-intercept. That's it. So put a point right there at -1. Now, to do the slope, you're going to go rise from that y-intercept of -1, you're going to rise 2 and run once. So we're going to go up 2 and right 1. Up 2 and right 1. Up 2 and right 1. And that there, ladies and gentlemen, is your line of y equals 2x minus 1. And so all you do is just connect the dots. And that's it. I swear, it's that easy. All you gotta do is plot the y-intercept first, and then the slope is rise over run. Boom. There we go. Drop the mic. Cool beans. Okay. So that's problem 5. Now, problem 6 is... Oh, wait. Don't forget, you can always pause the video if you need more time to write down stuff. Okay, so once you're done writing it down, press play. Problem 6. Yay, modeling a function from a real-world problem. All right, here we go. Physics. Yeah. Water pressure can be measured in atmospheres. Use the information in the diagram to write an equation that models the pressure Y at a depth of x meters. What graph models the pressure? At 0 meters, it says right here, at 0 meters, the pressure is 1 atmosphere. So I'm assuming that we need to make a table. So at 0, it is 1 atmosphere. And the pressure increases by 0.1 atmosphere per meter. Okay. So here we go. If your meters goes to 1 meter, it increases by what? It says right here. With 1 meter, it increases by 0.1 atmosphere. So what's 1 plus 0.1? 1.1. Awesome. So if it goes up to 2 meters, or it goes down to 2 meters, what is the atmosphere? It's going to be 1.2. Good job. And then let's do 2 more, so 3 and 4. At 3 meters, it'll be 1.3. And at 4 meters, it'll be 1.4. Awesome sauce. Okay, cool beans. So now we're going to go ahead and graph this. What use the information diagram to write an equation? Ooh, equation. And then graph it. Oh, man. So we're supposed to do a table. Whatever. Okay, so there's our table. Tables are always good. Tables are easy to find. So, pretty much we need to find the equation, which is your y equals mx plus b. All right. Where m is your slope, which is change in y over change in x. And b is your y-intercept, or the y value when x is what? Remember, from your notes yesterday, your y-intercept, x is always equal to 0. So we already have that here. Your y-intercept is easy to find, right there. X is equal to 0, so y is 1. Cool beans, awesome. So we already know that b is going to equal positive 1. Oops, that's going to look like a b. Positive 1. Okay, positive 1, got it. So now we need to find slope, which is change in y over change of x, which now is a good thing that we made a table, because now we can find the change in y and the change of x. So 0 to 1 is a difference of 1. 1 to 2, 1. 2 to 3, 1. 3 to 4, 1. So the change in x is 1. What's the change in y? Well, the change in y is going to be 0.1. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So the change in y divided by the change in x is going to be 0.1 divided by 1, or it's just going to equal 0.1. So m equals 0.1 and b equals 1. So let's go ahead and just squeeze that down here real quick. Y is going to equal mx plus b, but instead of m, what number do we put? We put 0.1. Good. So 0.1x. And instead of b, we're going to put 1. So plus 1. Okay, there we go. So that's your equation. So we got the equation. Check. And it says what graph models. Do we really want to graph it? It's pretty easy to graph. What I do is, yeah, I'm gonna call that a lesson. All right. So thanks for watching and pausing and playing and stuff. And if you wait, no. So once you're done copying these notes down, it's time for your individual practice time. So here we go. It's gonna be page individual practice will be page 101 to 103. So page 101 to 103, numbers 3 through 6. And then if you finish, please work on homework. Smiley face. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. See y'all tomorrow, hopefully. Well, I'll be here. Anyways, wish me luck on getting better, and Miss Walbacher on getting better, so that we can, both be here and stuff and teach and whatnot. All right. Bye, guys.